just showing my progress here on this gen. I worked for 1 hour and 30, around 30 minutes, an hour and 20. So let's say 3 hours, a bit more than 3 hours here. 3 hours and 15 minutes. And I still got the disk. Not much and buggy. My idea is player control and aim with the mouse, and the creatures should chase the player, but I am bug here that they start chasing at 100 units away, and when they get half that, then they are not stop chasing. They go in one direction, another direction, one direction, another direction, and I didn't get what happened here yet. And there's this light that's make the creatures run away, but they're all buggy right now. It was working before, so I don't know what happening here. I need to figure it out to fix this and to finish the at least a playable version for the gem. I still have 3 days, and I'm trying to do work on that the most I can. And that's it. That's my progress for now.